Hello class 4, good morning once again, welcome back and a very good morning to all of you. So here you can see on your screen this is your chapter number 1 and today we are going to start revision. So for revision you have to open page number 9 of your literature book. On page number 9 you can see a beautiful poem is there written by Rabindranath Tagore. So Sunday, we know what is Sunday. Sunday is a day. Sunday is a day. So here in the live video I explained this chapter, and in today's video we will do revision of question answers. So you can see here on page number 11 comprehension work is given. In comprehension work you can see exercise A, and in this exercise it is written here answer these questions with reference to the context. That means the context is given, and from the context few questions are asked which are based on the context reading. So first let me read what is given here. How do they travel to reach so quick? But why does Sunday take so long behind the others trudging on? Once again, how do they travel to reach so quick? But why does Sunday take so long behind the others trudging on? So we all know the meaning of trudging on. Trudging on means walking slowly or with heavy steps. And who is walking slowly? Who is trudging here? So the question number 1 is, who is the poet referring to as they? That means we have to answer the poet. Here the poet is saying they travel to reach so quick, and the question here, who is the poet referring to as they? So who is referring to as they? So I have written here all the answers, so you can see who is the poet referring to as they. So here you can see days of the week. That means days of the week are referred to as they. This is answer number 1. Who are they? They are days of the week. Second, how do they travel to reach so quick? How do they travel? That means we know who are they. They are days of a week. And in question number B, it is asking that how days of the week travel. So we know that days of a week travel so fast and quick. Fast and quick. It means they travel in a rapidly moment. Next question. Who is trudging on and behind whom? Who is trudging on and behind whom? We know who is trudging. This chapter is all about Sunday. So Sunday is trudging on, and behind whom? Behind the other days of the week. Who was trudging on? Sunday is trudging on. And to whom? Behind the other days of the week. Now next, on next page, open your next page. Context number 2. So here you can see context number 2. Context number 2 is, but why is Sunday so pursued that she stays half the time she should? Here the poet is saying that Sunday stays only half of the time. Why? Who is pursuing Sunday? Question number 2. Let me show you who is pursuing Sunday. So here you can see the answer. Who is pursuing Sunday? All the children are pursuing Sunday. Or is the Sunday name of a girl? No. Here you can see your answer will be all the children or days of the week. Who is pursuing Sunday? All the days of the children are pursuing Sunday or days of the week. Next, is Sunday the name of a girl? No, we all know Sunday is not a name of a girl. Sunday is named after the sun. What is the poet trying to say about Sunday? So third question, question C is, what is the poet is trying to say about Sunday? The poet is trying to say that Sunday comes very slowly but finishes very fast. That means Sunday comes slowly, but it finishes very fast. So it's all about questions from context. So after this, we will do exercise number B. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What does the poet feel about the weekdays? So here, what the poet feel about? What he was feeling about the Sunday? No, here you can see they are asking to us that what the poet feel about weekdays, not Sunday. They are asking that what the poet feel about weekdays. The poet feels that weekdays or days of the week are slow, dull and unkind in comparison of Sunday. That means, according to the poet, his favorite day is Sunday, but other days are weak, slow, dull and unkind. Second question, why has the poet called the weekdays an unkind lot? So here you can see unkind lot. Why the poet is saying unkind to the other days of the week? The poet has called the weekdays an unkind lot because they come rapidly and in great number. But instead of these weekdays, here often poet is waiting for the Sunday. So here you can see answer number 2. The poet has called the weekdays an unkind lot because they come rapidly and in great number. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, why does the poet mean by saying that Sunday stays only half the time? So here you can see the poet is asking what is the meaning of Sunday stays only half the time. And we know that by Sunday stays only half the time, the poet means that it stays just for a short time. That means Sunday stays for just a short time. Next, question number 4 is, what are the airs and graces that no child can stand? So first we should know the meaning of air and graces. So the meaning of air and graces is given on page number 11. So here you can see what is the meaning of air and graces. Behavior. Air and graces is a type of behavior that someone shows and thinks that they are more important they really are. That means the feeling of superiority is called airs and graces. Superiority, feeling of superiority. So question number 4, answer is, the weekdays come with such dull long faces that no child can stand such a proud way of behavior. So this is your answer. Now moving on the next question. Question number 5. How does the child feel when Sunday comes? How does the child feel? Obvious, you are also a child. How do you feel when Sunday comes? Here, when Sunday comes, the child is very happy and his or her face is lit up. Lit up with, that means smiling face. Lit up means smiling face. When Sunday comes, the child is very happy and his or her face is lit up. Next, describe what Sunday means to you and what you do, what things you do on that day. So which things you are doing on Sunday? I have written about myself. You can also answer yourself what things you are doing on Sunday. So here, Sunday is a special day for me. Obvious, it is a holiday and it is a leave day, off duty. That means Sunday is a special day for me because on this day I enjoy with my family. This is a simple answer. I enjoy a lot with my family. I spend so much time with my family. Sometimes I like to cook or make a delicious food. But you can write your own answer here. But as a child, suppose that answer is for the child. So you can easily write this answer. Sunday is a special day for me because on this day I enjoy with my family, with my friends and all. So that's it about today's class, but you have to take a look on the previous homework, because during the live video I had given you some homework about the idioms, that means muhavre. So you can take a look of the idioms, filling the blanks. So you can take a screenshot also, so that you can also fill page number 13, filling the blanks. So all the meanings are given on page number 12, so you can read the sentence, understand what it is saying, and then fill in the blanks with the proper idioms. So till then, take care all of you. Have a nice day. God bless you.